Good afternoon, this is Micah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Our website is mobility316.com. Today I'm going to show you our 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SE Plus. This unit has a 3.6 liter V6. It does have 36,000 miles on it. It's got the SE Plus version. You can see the alloy rims right there. It's a very clean unit. I like that silver. It's easy to keep clean. We did have a brand new conversion put into the rear. It's a rear manual entry, ADA compliant. The rear conversion has a 3-year unlimited mile warranty. It's very easy to operate. Lift your hatch there. On the left side of the ramp you have a hinge, and on the right side of the ramp you have a hinge. On each side of the ramp you got a little handle here. Choose whatever side is easy for you. One hand drops that ramp to the ground. That ramp is spring assisted. It makes it very easy to put down and pull up. We always say if you can pick up a half gallon of milk, you can operate one of these manual ramps. That ramp there you're looking at is a 34-inch wide ramp. It has a 94-inch cut, or alley cut, as some might say. It's got a 56-inch entry. Interior height there is 58 inches. We're going to follow it in. It's got a couple seats back here. Wheelchair rider. You can either fit 2 wheelchairs or a gurney in here. Up here you got the backup camera, steering wheel controls. If you're using this commercially, that's a great feature to keep your drivers focused on the road. And here you got dual climate controls. Driver can be one temperature, passenger another. And then you can control the rear from up here, or your riders in the back can control it from right there. Headliner's in great condition. I don't see any tears, I don't see any stains. Very easy to clean the alleyway. That material can be swept out, wiped down. Not a whole lot to it, not a lot to go wrong, but again, it does have a 3-year warranty on it. We're going to go ahead and put our ramp up. Just as easy as it went down, it goes up even easier in my opinion. I'm going to pick it up. That spring assisted kicks in right there. Grab that. One thing I like about the ATS conversion, they use one solid ramp. It's not a multi-fold. It's very solid. Again, not a lot to go wrong. There's no hinge on there to break, and keeps that annoying rattle down. We're going to do a walk around the van here. We're going to try to point out anything that we see as I walk around. Tires have some life left in them. This van's pretty clean. I've walked around it a few times now. Again, it's a very forgiving color, especially for dust. I'd say it's kind of like white. People love to use white because it's easy to keep clean. In my opinion, silver's a little easier. Looks like some touch-up paint's been applied there and right there. Again, we're not going to catch everything on this video. That's not our intention. Our intention is not to lie to you. But what we are doing is for our customers that cannot come put their hand on the van, they're buying it sight unseen. We want to make sure that you know exactly what you are buying when this van arrives to your front door. It's got a little ding there. Paint, body panels, very clean. Just not any door dings in it that are standing out to me. Not saying it's perfect, but for 36,000 miles it is in pretty darn good shape. Alright, we'll take a look at the interior. Okay, the interior. Here you got power windows, power doors. It does have the power mirrors, and they are heated. Dual sliders, one on the driver's, one on the passenger side. Another look at your chairs. Fire it up. All the lights do turn on. All the lights go off as they should. 36,814 miles on this unit. And we'll get right into one of my favorite things, the backup camera. Once you get used to those things, it's hard not to have them. Radio works. Let me turn down the front AC so you can hear the back AC going. Does have the rear AC, and of course AC up front works as it should. Power windows. Mirrors operate as they should. This does have the dual storage compartments up front here, and of course the steering wheel controls. This unit does come with 2 keys, 2 fobs. Let's take a look under the hood. Okay, look under the hood again. It's got 36,000 miles, 3.6 liter V6. Engine sounds good, no squeals. I also do have the AC running. No squealing from the compressor. Everything's dry. I see no leaks. Underneath the van, always want to give our customers a good look here. If you're buying a van sight unseen, make sure your seller is doing a video much like this, walking around. If you buy a van sight unseen and you do not have it checked out like we're doing now, and it is full of rust, you have bought yourself a paperweight. You buy a van that can't pass inspection, you just bought yourself a paperweight. Make sure they take a few minutes to do a video much like this one. Interior is clean, no tears, no rips, no odors. I cannot sniff anything out as far as smoking goes or pet odors. I do not have dogs. I do not have a smoking habit. I'd smell either one a mile away. All right, let's take it for a test drive. Okay, we're going to do the test drive portion of the video. What we like to do here is we like to get the vans up to highway speed. We want to give you an opportunity to hear the transmission shift, the engine run, and also show you that this van drives great straight down the road as it should. Set our cruise. Van runs and drives great, straight down the road. Shifts like it should. One thing, if you've heard my videos before, what I like to point out with these ATS conversions is they're just so quiet going down the road. If you're going to use this van commercially, or even for your family, it's nice because you can actually hold a conversation in one of these vans. You don't hear a lot of rattling because, again, that is a one-piece ramp. It is not a multi-fold. Oh, somebody had some bad luck. Hope everybody's okay. So, again, it's a nice quiet ride. No rattling from the ramp back there. Van drives smooth. We're going to come up here on an exit ramp. I'm going to give this van a hard brake. I'm going to let go of the steering wheel. I will be safe about it, but I'm going to let go of the steering wheel. Show you there's no shuttering of the steering wheel. It's not pulling one direction. Hard brake. Very smooth. And this is a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SE Plus. It's got the nice alloy rims. It's got that silver color, which I've done told you why I like that. Easy to keep clean. Works for a personal use or commercial use. Man, it's 36,000 miles. So again, it does fall under the 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. The brand new rear entry conversion is a 3-year warranty, unlimited mileage. This van does qualify for our free economy shipping. We have been in business for nearly 8 years. We have over 450 positive reviews on eBay. Not a single negative comment. Over 450 business dealings on eBay and not a single negative comment. 8 years in business, 100% satisfaction rating with the Better Business Bureau. We take care of our customers. We put out quality vehicles. We have our own shop. Our mechanics go through each one of them. We get down, we show you exactly what you're getting, so there is no surprises by the time this thing shows up at your front door. We are affordable mobility solutions. Our website is mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Whether you're looking for rear entry, side entry, manual, or even electric, give us a call. We can save you $5,000, $10,000 on a mobility van. Again, Affordable Mobility Solutions. Our phone number is 316-262-VANS. 316-262-8267. And hey, thank you very much for checking us out.